Alright, so we're at 530 hours. Got my first problem with my Ariens Icon XD. It's got the wonderful Kawasaki engine, but I think my battery may finally be going, or possibly the alternator. If I try to start it, get nothing. So I have this nice little tool here from Smartech products, and no, I'm not sponsored, but it's a good little jumper box. When you hook it up, it has some lights that'll tell you that it's hooked up okay. So we'll hook it up to the battery here. And we'll hook it up. And then it will give you a light that says it's ready for you to start it. And we'll give it a try here.